What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. The power just went out in the big storm that we were all expecting. That's right. The storm that hit Texas about, what was that, yesterday, just came in to kick our butts over here, and the power just went out. We got my call out, what I'm going to be doing, or what I have ultimately done. I got these extra, you can hardly even tell that they're extra cell phones. These are two that I need to charge. Charging units, AA to USB power bars, very useful in situations like this. And I also have excuse me, I also have LED lights from my cell phone. So that one is an iPhone 8 LG G3 up there, iPhone 6. Geez, it's interesting. You see that flicker? I wonder if it picks up in the recording. I wonder if that's the frequency of the light. Notice it doesn't happen with this one so much over here. Anyways, iPhone 6 with the battery. This has got to be from that. That's a reasonable kind of flashlight that any intelligent person would have in their house. But also, any intelligent person probably has kids. I shouldn't say that. I take that back. And kids like to move everything everywhere. Oh, and here's the puppy dog. He's begging. He's begging for what's left of supper. And up there I got a strip of LEDs. It's just a bunch of LED lights. Got it at the dollar store. USB battery. The same thing. We got it set up in there. It kind of snakes around. Those dollar store lights, you know what I'm saying? So ultimately, this is a pretty good picture of what I'm doing. I got USB batteries. These are super thin ones you're supposed to be able to put in your wallet. And as you can see, it's charging there, even though it doesn't have much energy. Cracked screen, but still functionable for certain things. Like this. Now, I knew this was going to hit. I knew this was going to happen. Anyways, then you turn the light on, and then you got your LED as an extra light. So as I said, I knew this was going to happen. I looked around for all my lights, and I realized that they were all gone. They were all frickin' gone. So I had to come up with a solution, and I did have a lot of old, broken, not 100% phones. So that's what I did. Of course, you can use your phone as a light. It works with Androids too. I have an Android over here. One sec. So for the Androids, what you'll do is you'll open it up, you'll swipe down. Sorry for the quality. When I don't have perfect lighting, it makes it a little difficult. Anyways, scroll down. Frick. Okay, so scroll down, and if it's not immediately in your list, just swipe over, or maybe even pull down a little bit more. There we go. Now I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Just like that. It might take a sec to warm up, and you're using your light. I definitely recommend you hook these into a USB battery. And after you get the light going, feel free to turn them off, because the light will continue going. And that is the Ghetto way to do this fun stuff. Well, that's some spooky stuff. You can tell someone out there has already got a generator on. Actually, I'm just coming out here because I got an external battery. Oh, now that's a beautiful sight right there. I tell you what, Bobby, in a situation like this, I might not have a generator, but at least I got some power. Came on just in time, too. I had to start bailing a sub pump, and man, that is not fun. Anyways, so this is how I was doing it. AA batteries, charged my own cell phone, and I had the phones, these Apple phones and Android phones that were attached to a dollar store battery. The power's out for about 2 hours, and the phone stayed charged to about where it was when we plugged them in. And the batteries weren't dead, so for 2 hours, that's good. This is another thing I was doing. I have a bunch of these LED strip lights. I was plugging into these batteries, and they worked. They were on for 2 hours. The battery's still not dead, so it isn't normal. It definitely isn't ideally what you want, but I think I did pretty good. Very unconventional, but definitely works. Being asked to check on the neighbor, I came home and everything's okay. We got our power back, and hopefully we'll survive the ice storm. Thanks for sticking with me, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you have all the lights and batteries you need in your house. Make sure you got everything you need. That's it for me. Have a good one, folks. As usual, after a big ice storm, absolutely everything is completely covered in a thin layer of ice. It's really something to see. It looks so nice, but it's such a big pain in the butt to get off.
Okay, that's a new error. I've never seen that one before. Emergency alert, the province of Ontario emergency bulletin, which applies to people within 10 kilometers of the Pickering Nuclear General Station. We're all going to turn to zombies or get superpowers. Ladies, let's go to Pickering.
Recollect all the electronics, recharge them, and put them back where they came from. I still have to collect a few more because I know I was using more than 3 phones. Anyways, that's the true end of this video. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for sticking around. Always appreciate it, and have a good one. Take care of each other, folks.